Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan, and welcome to a game called Squishy the Silly Pig. Now, I'm going to jump right into the story mode for this. As you can see on here, the first level has been done. It's just a tutorial. There's a little bit of story behind it. It's actually not an important story. It's just something to give the game a little bit more. I tried to start a new game so you guys could see the opening sequence, and I can't do it. I don't know how. So just move on to the next level, I guess, and you'll be able to see how it's, how the game is done, how it's played, and everything. It's very simple, but basically, before I start, I'll let you know you play as a pig, and the idea is to kill yourself in every level. So let's do it. Alright. Okay, let me see. I gotta push this box over here. There we go. I think I made a mistake, didn't I? We'll figure it out. Wish I could run faster. Oh! Oh! Oh, I can go through that! Oh! Let me just hit that switch. Is that enough bouncy? It was not. I think I just ruined my chances of getting over there. Okay. Stop fan. There we go. And jump! Crap! Don't know what to do now. Let me see. Oh, I think I know what to do. Hold on. I got this now. Let me... First, can I push the nitro? Oh, there's my problem right there. Okay. You guys are gonna love this. Oh, I'm so smart. Alright. Let's see. Blow this up. Boom. There we go. I bounced him over there. Let's see. I'll go up to you. Push you up to the edge here. Get that fan up. Let me go up here. Drop you down. Push you over to the edge. Keep pushing. Right there. That's the perfect spot, I believe. I am so smart. I'm just joking. That was really not hard at all. I wonder if... Nope. I was hoping it was going to crush me and I didn't have to go all the way up there. But no. Okay. Yeah! And I got all the apples. Level 1, 2. Eat all the apples. Okay. Come on, be enough to get me up and over. Oh, no, 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 no. Crapola. Okay. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Don't you guys worry. I'm gonna kill this pig. Will I really kill the pig? Or will he kill himself? I wonder how I'm actually gonna get to kill myself in this level, though. Will I get to drown? Will I... can I possibly drop that box on my head? Maybe it'll actually work this time, and that's what I have to do. I'm thinking that's it. Wish I could move faster. Okay, notice I started to fall down with great speed. That may have something to do with it. I can't figure this out a bit. I'm trying to fall down all the way, see if I die. Nope. Yes. Yeah! Yes! 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 I've never been so happy to kill a pig before in my entire life. I mean, I've never killed a pig before. Actually, I haven't. Don't worry. I have killed no pigs before. I've eaten pigs. I love bacon. Okay, let's see. Oops, that was a mistake. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I gotta push you down. Get that blocked off. Gotta restart. Darn it. Okay, let's see. I wonder if this is a secret up here. Nope. Okay. So we gotta push you down into the empty space. Any second now. And yay! I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have the nitro right here, and I get to blow stuff up. Boom! Ah, so good. Okay. Alright, so you get blowed up. Like so. And you go down here. And you go down here. And you go all the way down here. Right over the edge, right here. Kabloo. Kablooey. And then, gotta push this barrel onto that orange button to release that platform. Yes. Wait a minute. How'd I die? Oh well. My nose keeps itching. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Oh, that's terrible. I know, it's terrible. I wonder if I should have actually done that. Okay, I could jump back across that since I only used every other one, but I made a mistake right there. I was pointing to the screen. You guys can't see the screen. Oh well. But you can see where I made my mistake at. Oh no. Oh no, 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 crap. I have to restart. Yeah. Yay, I didn't ruin my entire life. Okay, now you've perished. Whee! Woohoo! And I got me a key. A key! A key! Now how am I gonna get that other apple, though? Oh, I can reach it from down here. Boing! Yummy apples. Oh, I see how it is. No, I didn't get it. Be right back. Got it. Yeah. Level 1-5. Okay, let's see. No, I tried to... But... Poop. I'm so good at puzzles. Jump? Okay, now let's think about this for a minute. I forgot to push you down. Okay. Surely I've got to push you on top of you. That only makes sense. And jump at the end of you? No. And how on earth? I'll figure this out. Really? Really? Well, that was... Wow, I think that's the only time I've ever actually been trolled by a game. If you can, I think that's what you could call it that. That was stupid. That particular level was. The game was great. Tell you what, this is a really fun game. I enjoy it a lot. It's terribly simple. The puzzles can be downright challenging, especially when they do that. Make you walk around. Oh, I don't care. That was interesting though. It was really cool. How they made you think you had to blow all this crap up, but you couldn't do it, and you just had to walk around. It was, oh well, it was beside the point. But, anyways, you can get this game yourself on Steam. It's only $1, and so 31 levels of this nonsense is probably worth $1. That's what I think anyway. Yeah, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure you go ahead and hit the like button, and I will see everyone in the next video.